Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Savlon antiseptic at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Antiseptic solutions such as Savlon or Dettol are used in hospitals, pharmacy, banks, schools, homes, etc. As a matter of fact, your first aid box is not complete without antiseptic solutions such as Savlon or Dettol. They are used for bathing, washing, cleaning and disinfecting kitchen utensils. They are also used for cleaning of wounds and many more. Please note that Savlon or Dettol are made with the same ingredient. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce antiseptic solutions such as Savlon or Dettol at home. Now, before we go through the production proper, let's go through some of the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Savlon or Dettol antiseptic can be made from the following materials. These are Texapon, Phenol, Chloroxylenol, Isopropyl Alcohol, also known as IPA, pine oil, and antiseptic colorant. Now let's state the quantities of materials needed to produce about 1 liter of Savlon antiseptic. Texapon 5 tablespoons, Phenol 1 tablespoon, Chloroxylenol 100 ml, Isopropyl alcohol 1 liter, pine oil 100 ml, and antiseptic colorant 1 teaspoon. Now these are the materials. This is Texapon, this is Phenol, this is Chloroxylenol, this is Isopropyl alcohol IPA, this is pine oil, and this is the color. Now pour the Texapon into an empty bowl and add pine oil and stir. Also add Phenol and stir it. Add the Chloroxylenol and stir it properly. Now you can add your isopropyl alcohol and stir very well. Now you can add your color to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your antiseptic is ready for use. You can give it any name you want. And now you can fill your containers and keep them safe. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.